Hi guys, Tatiana is here, welcome back to the channel. This week I hit one of my big goals for this year. My YouTube channel got 10,000 subscribers and the number keeps growing. I'm so happy to see how many people from all over the world are interested in how to play the bass, and I really appreciate you being here, guys. When your channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, actually nothing changes dramatically. Not in the channel, not in your life, and you just wake up in the morning being the same person as you were a few subscribers before. But in terms of definition, this milestone makes my channel medium-sized. So it was a small-sized before, and now it's medium-sized. I'm not sure if it will help the channel grow. We'll see how it goes. Nevertheless, the fact that I'm already here and more than 10,000 people decided to subscribe, and that my traffic is 100% organic and that I'm still enjoying the process, that motivates me. I wondered how I could celebrate reaching 10,000 subscribers, and I got a wonderful piece of advice from a mysterious person named Mojito6629. Thank you, my friend. They suggested that I jam with you guys, so I'm going to play now, and I'm going to leave pauses where you can play yourself and film yourself playing. You also can join me on the last phrase if you want. I really want you to be creative. I anticipate you playing the bass, but you're welcome to surprise me. Send me the video with you playing by the 24th of June at tatianabassist@gmail.com, and I will make a video with you and me playing together, and I will showcase it here on my channel. We will be jamming together online. Now I'm going to turn my camera in a vertical mode, so it's gonna be easier for me to montage later. The audio of this with my playing and the drum track you can download by the link below, it is free. Now a little breakdown of the structure. I wrote it on a piece of paper. I took the tempo 120 BPM and the time signature is 12/8. It means that each one of 4 beats in a bar is split in 3 quavers. So 4 times 3, you will get 12. However, you can experiment with sub-splitting the beats and split them in 4 or even 5 notes if you want. I played 2 bars. Then I left 2 bars for you. Then I played 2 more. And left 2 more bars for you. And this is the last phrase, it's less than a bar, and if you want we can play it together. Of course, you don't have to play exactly what I played, you can play something your own so that we finish together. You can download this scheme of mine by the link below together with the audio. I took the key F major Mixolydian. It means that I used the minor 7th. So if you play the scale, F major scale, this is going to be the flat 7. However, we don't have the chords in the accompaniment, so your improvisation or your part can be anything. You can go completely atonal, you can go noisy and funky and do whatever you want. The last phrase, which is... I played over C major chord, so it brings me back to F major for the last chord. What I want to highlight here, this is not a music battle. I'm not here to battle with you guys. We have enough battles in real life, and I want this space to be non-competitive and safe. This is a friendly collaboration, jamming, music making together. That's why I don't actually mind what techniques you use and how you use them and how fast you move your fingers. It doesn't matter as long as you love playing. So I encourage you to be brave, to accept this challenge, to play it and to film yourself playing and to send this video to me by the 24th of June at tatianabassist@gmail.com. I'll make a video with you and me. Let's make some noise together. The link is below. Happy grooving!